Hey guys, let's see how to connect this Happrun projector to an iPhone. So here I have this model, it's the H1. And you just need your iPhone and a cable like this. This is a Lightning to HDMI cable because I have an old iPhone, right? If you have a new one, you just need a different cable. This one is a HDMI to USB-C. So it depends on the model that you have. I'll leave the link in the description for the cables. So here, as you see, there is a connection for HDMI. Just need to come here with your cable and connect like so. So super simple. And then you just get the other end here and connect to your iPhone like this, right? And then I'm just show back there that I have the screen and I got this information. Select HDMI. I just use the remote control. Click there and it's going to load the iPhone. See it? Super simple. Just need to connect the cable and you're good to go, right? So down here, you see that I have the cable connected to the iPhone. And back there is simply working. So super simple, okay? So I hope this helps. Again, I'll leave the link in the description because this cable works pretty fine with my iPhone, but there are other cables that just don't. So just get the correct cable. I've been trying some of them. This one works. So that's the way you can connect your Happrun projector to an iPhone. I hope this helps. Leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.